Dutch here with April's Crazy Cat Lady. Yay! Everybody say yay! So excited. It's like Christmas every month. We're getting one of these boxes. Juliet over here is excited. She won't leave the couch. She wants me to open it. So let's see what is in April's Crazy Cat Lady box. Alright, if you guys don't know what the Crazy Cat Lady box, it is a subscription service for cat lovers and their little fur babies. There are two options. There is the Cat Lady, which is $34.99 a month, and that includes 2 to 3 items, cat-themed items for yourself. Then there is the Crazy Cat Lady, which is what I get, which is 2 to 3 cat-themed items for yourself and 2 cat toys for your little fur baby. So Juliet absolutely loves it. I can't leave her out, so I have to get the Crazy Cat Lady. And that one runs $39.99 a month. Totally worth it. I mean, what you get, you see this blanket back here? I got that in one of the cat boxes, and it is so soft. So, if you guys have any questions, watch this video, tell me what you think, and let me know. Alright, so here is the card. It is a little peace sign with kitties. It's got the spoilers on the back. Remember, I don't look at this, so Juliet wants to dig in. She's excited. Alright, so I will look at the theme though. I will cover it all up. It is feline groovy. Alright, so we'll start with the cat toy since she's going crazy right now. We got a little guitar. That's cute. Apparently she found the other cat toy. Juliet, start with the guitar. Hey. She wants the guitar. Hey. Go get it. Alright, there she is. There she goes. Let go. Let go. She won't let go. Alright. So next we have what looks like a shirt. I love getting shirts. I love cat shirts. Oh, it's a tank top, which is always nice in the summer. I'm in Arizona, so tank tops are always appreciated. So it says, live, love, meow. That's super cute. Live, love, meow tank top. Yay! Love it. Love it. All right. There is something big. Big and a little psychedelic. Alright. And it's all cat faces. All psychedelic cat face. Oh, wow. Oh, it's like an overnight bag. Oh, that's awesome. Look at that. Look at that. That is cool. That is so awesome. Yeah, this is probably one of my favorite things so far. Just pocket up front. It says Cat Lady Box. Oh, wow. It's so well made, too. It is sturdy. It's got strap to carry it. Oh, that is awesome. It's got some pockets inside. Ooh, this is really, really good. Overnight bag. All right. That right there. That's so awesome. Where'd your guitar go? Oh, I covered her guitar. Oops. All right. Oh, we got a fridge magnet. Live, love, meow. Oh, look at the little cat lady right there. Fridge magnet. That'll definitely go on my fridge. And last but not least, another kitty toy. It is a cat face with the little peace symbol on it. That's cute. Juliet, you want this? This is the one you tried to get out of the box. So, there is April's Crazy Cat Lady. Juliet enjoys it. I absolutely love it. I love it every month. If you guys don't know what Juliet just took off with the toy. So, without further ado, let's recap what is in April's Crazy Cat Lady box. All right, so April's Crazy Cat Lady box. I couldn't fold this up and get it back in there. So you've got your overnight bag. So cool. You have got your tank top, Live, Love, Meow. You've got your fridge magnet, the Live, Love, Meow. You've got your guitar, cat toy, and you've got your little peace sign. She wants the box. So, if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave me a comment, leave me a message. If you guys have any ideas for other subscription boxes you'd like me to show you, please let me know. She wants it. She wants in there. Let me know. Leave me a comment. If you just want to say hi to Juliet, please do that too, because she loves getting highs and thumbs up. And I will see you later. Bye.